cone area for the power is efficient.
Yeah.
And you can play music.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop.
It looks like a lot of wasted space, but we had 6 in there.
So you used to have it 1, 2.
Well, it was stacked. They had 2 up here and it was stacked in each other.
Got it, okay.
And that's the new,
The retros?
The new retros.
Are these the 50 amp hour or?
56 amp hour.
56, got it. Do you know what kind of lithium cells they are?
I do not.
Probably LiFeCo.
That's their newest setup.
Yep.
That's the same game.
Hey, it works. Got the job done.
Play it.
Yes, sir. That's what happened. Tell me your name and what's in here?
Brian, this is my team president's truck. We got 12 CP audio, 1200 series, 12 subwoofers on a Cosmos 5500.
So 1 amp on all of that.
1 amp on all 12. Needs a lot more.
What's the impedance ended up being?
I have no clue. That's, like I said, it's my team president's truck.
Okay.
2 to 37.
Okay.
So I don't know what the rise and all is on it.
Is this here to adjust the port?
Yeah, for time being.
Okay. It makes it work.
Yeah. This is a last minute throw in. So.
Okay.
We had a vinyl. We blew it last weekend.
Oh, okay. What is this amplifier or the subs rated at?
The subs are rated at 1200.
Okay.
RMS. The amp is 55,000.
And the electrical battery alternator?
622 alternators.
Okay.
And 2 5600 retros.
Nice. And any door speaker amps?
Yes. McLaren. McLaren 2Ks, I think they are.
McLaren tweeter and bids. Very nice. Any SPL tests?
Not today. He's judging today, so.
Yes, okay. Anything he's ever done in this system with it? Like
155 Ford last year. Yeah.
Okay.
On 6 cap 22s.
Oh wow, okay.
Yeah, but we kept popping them one after the other, so.
Yeah. Did he always have them inverted?
Yeah.
Do you know the, sorry, so many questions.
Oh, no, it's all good.
The specs, do you know anything about the cubic space on the box? Like if it's like the ratio, 2 to 1, 2.5?
I believe it's a 2 to 1.
2 to 1?
I believe it's what it is.
Yeah, because at the bottom of the chamber, how low goes about right there, I see.
Yeah, well, it's all one deal.
Did it slide in?
No, it's
Built in.
Yeah, she's built inside.
Oh wow, you got a headlamp.
That's got to come out.
Yeah. Wow.
Definitely.
Work in progress, I'm sure.
Oh yeah. Going 14.8 all day long.
Yeah, you don't even drop voltage probably.
Not even.
Not even, yes sir. And the owner's vehicle is this?
George Tassler.
George Tassler.
Team FMD.
Team FMD. Awesome. Yeah, sorry for all the questions. Thank
No
you, man.
problem.
I'd love to hear it. All right.
Let's see what we got here. Kind of hard with these other guys.
Yeah. That's why I had the window down. Window up, down.
Don't matter.
Like a horse on a carousel, we go. Will I catch up to love? I can never tell. I know chasing after you is like a fairy tale, but I feel like I'm glued on tight to this carousel. Back now, round and round like a horse on a carousel. We go, will I catch up to love? Oh, come take my hand and run through It's like a fairy tale.
I could tell it needs more power, but to be honest, the cone area for the power is efficient.
Yeah.
And you can play music.
And I'm going 14.8 all day long.
Yeah, you don't even drop voltage probably.
Not even.
Not even, yes sir. What was your name?
Brian.
Brian, and the owner's vehicle of this?
George Tassler.
George Tassler.
Team FMD.
Team FMD, awesome. Is the back open?
Yeah.
Can I go see it? Awesome.